Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and you know what to do, right? So subscribe to my channel if you haven't. First of all, thank you so much for all your beautiful comments on my previous video. And coming to this video is all about me trying out DIY hacks that have been shown in the video. So yes, I've tried some DIY hacks that I always wanted to try and see if it works or not. So I'm very excited. Let's just get into the video. Also, how can I forget the unboxing that I was waiting since 2 weeks? So I would be doing that in the end of the video, and yes, I'm very excited.
Let's begin with the first DIY that I've tried. For this, all you need is a pair of lashes, a micellar solution, a container, and the lash brush. First, you need to pour some solution into the container. And then let the lashes soak in it for 1 to 2 minutes. This method is used to clean the lashes. So here you can see how the dirt is being separated from the lashes. So this is how it looks after it's soaked in the solution for 1 to 2 minutes. And the next thing that you have to do is remove the lashes from the solution, place it on a white paper, and using the brush start brushing it gently so that the particles that are still stuck on the lashes come out. I would give this one a 9 out of 10 because I still feel the lashes are not completely cleaned. Moving to the next one where I stupidly messed up. So this was to clean your cosmetic pouch with the help of a toothpaste, and me being dumb, in the video it was Colgate toothpaste which is white in color, but me generally thinking that you can use any toothpaste, I used Dabur Red toothpaste which is brown in color. How can someone clean a dirty brown pouch with the brown toothpaste? And this is just me confidently brushing and cleaning the pouch, where at the end I just accepted that I was stupid. And this one is my most favorite DIY hacks that I've tried. For this, all you need is a pencil, foil paper, and a phone. I don't know if you guys knew it, but I did not know until I watched the video. I don't even know if what is this used for, but I just found it so cool and I thought I should give it a try. I don't know, but I just found it so satisfying to do this. So this one is specially for girls who do not have colored liner pencils. For this, all you need is a bowl of hot water and some color pencils. Dip it in the water for 2 minutes. And then here is the result. So cool, right? Coming to the last DIY that I've tried, you guys might have seen this in most of the YouTubers' house decor videos. Yes, that's the grid wall decor. And I had to do so much jugaad for this one because I didn't have any knowledge when it came to wires and winding wires and all of that. And finally I found some gas winding wires which was more convenient, and for this all you have to do is arrange the gas winding wire in the grid form and start sticking it with the Gorilla Glue. In case you do not have Gorilla Glue, you can also go with the hot glue. I have used hot glue here because I did not have Gorilla Glue, but Gorilla Glue is more preferable in this case. And yes, this is how it looks. I have used fairy lights to make it look more good. Also, you can use wooden clips to hang the stuffs that you'll need. Now let's begin with the unboxing. So this is how the package looked. And inside there was this cute box which had their brand name on it. So this is Bausch & Lomb. Begin your journey of crystal clear vision with us lenses, inside which there were lenses which were of my power, a manual, and a letter.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. Also, the wall grid thing that I did in the end was something that I always wanted to try, and I finally did it. Proud of myself. And yes, until next time, lots of prayers for the students. Yes, guys, please pray for us. And yes, bye.